Alright guys, today we're doing a drift fluid flush on my 164 ML63. This should be basically the same for, I'd say, all the 4MATIC MLs and GLs of this generation out there, and probably even the newer ones. You're going to make sure your car is relatively level. I know mine is right now, so I'm not going to worry too much about that. Alternatively, if you have aromatic suspension, you can actually just put the aromatic suspension all the way up and leave it there, and you should have enough clearance to do the flush. So, let's get started. Alrighty, so on the passenger side, or the right side of the car, for me, you can see the drain plug right there. It's an 8mm Allen, and then just above, kind of further up there, is another 8mm Allen, which is the fill plug. So, we gotta remove the fill plug first, and then we can take off the drain plug afterwards. This is because if you can't remove the fill plug and you remove the drain plug first, then you have no way to fill the fluid at the correct level. So, that is why we do that. So let's get started. Should be not too bad in terms of torque. The fill plug is out successfully. Here, I got it right over here. Of course, nothing really came out, so I expected. So we got to remove the drain plug now, and some fluid should drain out. I might even use a fluid transfer pump just to try and get any of the excess out of the bottom of the diff over here. So here it is draining out. Really don't want to touch the camera too much. My fans are covered in diff oil. But yeah, of course, got to drop some for good luck because that's just how it goes. Anyway, so in the way that drains out, I'll use my transfer pump to get some more out, and then I'll pump the new fluid in. Should be just over a liter, if not 2 maximum. Once you've drained all the fluid from the drain plug, there's honestly not that much that came out of the fluid transfer pump, and in fact I don't think I caught anything at all, so I wouldn't even recommend doing that. Now you can use the fluid transfer pump to, and make sure it's cleaned out by the way, to pump new fluid into there until it basically overflows. So let's start doing that. Alright, so fill it up to the point where it's leaking out now, which means it is full. So we can go ahead and take our transfer pump out and torque down both the drain plug and the fill plug.